some of the things I observed about Jamaica's independence before independence is we were just trying to express ourselves. So that's one thing I realized, that we were just trying to express ourselves, whether through music and even through drama, but we weren't free to express ourselves the way we really wanted to, because we felt like if we do express ourselves the way we want to, we might have to face some repercussions and might get in trouble for expressing ourselves certain ways. So after independence, what I really observed is we became more critical of society, we became more critical of the conditions we were living in, we were more critical of situations. So that's where the reggae music came from, where it's like the music of the ghetto and things like that, because now we can fully say what we want to say and how we want to say it. So that's why some people might think Jamaicans are rude, they're feisty, but it's just us expressing how we want to express ourselves. And that's one thing I realized that happened after 1962, so after independence. So what happened in art now is you're starting to see more political charge work. You're starting to see more positivity, really, because now we can express ourselves and say, yeah, we can overcome the struggle that we're dealing with. We can now express ourselves in a positive manner because we are now learning how to deal with the negativity and learn how to deal with the struggles and the oppositions that we're facing in our society. So because after independence, we realized that we can use art as a medium. So we realized the importance of art. And we help the world to realize the importance of arts, because I feel like after independence, that's when we began to see the impact that music can have on people. So, for example, Bob Marley, just go back to him, how he was able to travel around the world and affect other countries, and like people like Marcus Garvey, how he was able to impact different people around the world with his messages, and that all happened really essentially after independence. So that's one thing I observed. That's a lot.